In this video, I will guide you on how to fix not posting tweets on X. If you're facing this problem, then the first thing you want to do is check the internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a stable internet. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and check. Next thing you want to do is update the X app. For that, if you're using Android, open Play Store. If you're using iPhone, open App Store, and here you want to type X. Now, if there is an update button, go ahead and tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Now, the next thing you want to do is check if it is a server issue. For that, open up any web browser and here you want to type X down. Now, go to any reliable website and see if there is a server outage. If there is, you simply want to wait until that issue gets fixed. Next thing you want to do is clear the app cache. For that, tap and hold on the X app. Now tap on this app info icon, which should take you to settings. Here, you want to scroll down and find storage. Tap on that. Now tap on clear cache. Head back, now tap on force stop, then tap on OK. That is done. Now launch OpenX and this issue should be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.